Hello and welcome back to our series on the 48 Laws of Power, a book by Robert Greene that offers insights into the strategies and tactics used by the most successful and influential people in history. In this episode, we'll be discussing the 12th law of power, which is: use selective honesty and generosity to disarm your victim. What does this mean? Well, according to Greene, it means that in order to gain power over someone, you need to use a combination of honesty and generosity strategically. Let's say you're trying to negotiate with someone who is skeptical or defensive. They might see you as a threat or an adversary, and they might not trust you. What can you do to disarm them and make them more receptive to your ideas or proposals? One way is to use selective honesty and generosity. This means that you reveal some information or offer something of value to the other person that shows that you are not a threat or that you have their interests in mind. For example, you might compliment them on their expertise or their accomplishments, or you might offer to help them with something that is important to them. By doing this, you create a sense of trust and reciprocity that can make the other person more open and cooperative. They might feel more inclined to listen to your proposals or to reciprocate your generosity. Of course, you need to be careful not to reveal too much or to offer too much too soon, as that might backfire and make you look weak or manipulative. In summary, the 12th law of power advises us to use selective honesty and generosity to disarm our victims or opponents. By using this strategy, we can build trust, reciprocity, and leverage that can help us achieve our goals and gain more power in any situation. Thank you for watching this video on the 12th law of power. Please like, share, and subscribe for more insights and strategies from the 48 laws of power. And remember, knowledge is power, so use it wisely.